Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm popping in with my make for my hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge, which is hosted by me at Challenget Crafts. So once a month I do a Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge, and this is where we get the chance to use up all of those scraps and turn them into strips and create some fabulous makes. It's a great little fun challenge, and you can pop on anytime within the month and share your makes. It's open UK and internationally, and at the end of the month or the beginning of a new month, I will hold a little prize draw where I pop everyone who has entered into my challenge for that month into a draw and choose a winner. So why not grab all of your scraps and your strips and come and join me on this fun Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge. So if you would like to join in, you can pop your makes. If you have a YouTube channel, you can pop your makes onto your channel. You can also email me and I will pop them up onto my community post. Anyway, if you would like to join in, all you will need to do is use the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips and tag me in at Challenget Crafts. So without further ado, I'm going to get on with my make for this month. So to get started on my card, yes, that's right, you don't see many scraps or strips here at the moment. I've got myself a 6 by 6 inch base card, maybe just slightly under 6 inches, and I've taken one of my peach coloured scrap pieces of card, which I am going to turn into strips. And the other thing is, well, you'll just have to wait and see how I get my other strips. So I'm going to get started now on my card. So first of all, I'm going to take my piece of peach card and I'm going to cut this scrap piece down into strips. I'll do this off camera and then I'll pop back, which is just seconds for yourself. So there we go, there are my little strips of the peach card, and I'm also going to show you what I did next. Okie dokie, so what I've done next is I've cut down my cream card, which obviously had a front to it originally, and I've cut the card down into 1/2 inch strips to match the strips of the peach card. And what I want to do is I'm going to pop off camera and I'm going to look for some papers to decorate my strips. I'll get that done and then I'll pop back. Okie dokie, so whilst I was off camera cutting up all of my strips, I came across my patterned paper. So this is the one I've decided to cover my strips there. So I've just cut the pattern paper up with the lovely sunflowers and stuck them over the top of my strips. Now I want to pop my card all together. I'm in a bit of a hurry. It is absolutely boiling hot and there's a thunderstorm brewing. It's gone really black. The thunder is rumbling in the background there, so I'm sure it won't be long heading this way. So I'm in a little bit of a hurry to get my card together. So hopefully I'll get it finished before the thunder and lightning comes this way. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to stick my strips together onto the card, and then I'll come back and finish the card off with you towards the end. I've taken one of my strips and all I want to do a little bit of glue on the back of my strip, on one of the strips, and I want to pop this just slightly up from the bottom of my card. I'm going to stick that like so, and I want to take one of my cream pieces, and I'm going to pop a little bit of glue again along the back. And pop this one at the top there, just like so. And then working across my card, I want to come across and do, so I've started with the peach colour, the cream colour on there. So what I'm going to do is go peach and cream across the card, but first of all I want to leave a 1/2 inch gap. Okie dokie, just finishing off. The storm seems to have passed, which is great. I'm just going to add this lovely little sunflower, and I'm just going to pop this just there. Lift that up so it doesn't stick to the back of my card. So here we go. Here is my finished card using my scraps and strips. So I took my cream card base, cut the front panel off apart from this little piece at the side, left that at 1/2 inch, and with some of the front panel I made 1/2 inch cream strips. I also had a piece of the peach coloured scrap card which I cut down to 1/2 inch strips. I then added, I had this lovely scrap piece of sunflower paper which I didn't want to throw to the bin, so I decided to add those little strips onto the peach and cream card. I then added this gorgeous little sunflower. I had a sentiment choose to shine which I've just cut up and split it into 3 separate words, choose to shine, stuck that onto the top of the card. So there we go, there is my finished card for my Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge for June. If you like what you see, would you please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and if you would like to join in to my challenge, if you use the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips and tag me in at Content to Crafts, that way I will see all of your fabulous, wonderful makes. Don't forget to follow the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips, and there you will see all of the amazing makes from the lovely ladies who have joined in to my Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back very soon. Don't forget to check out more of my videos. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take good care of yourselves, and see you soon. Bye bye for now.